So just keep in mind, you have to remember, you have to assess first reflective measurement model, is 3 criteria, formative measurement model, 3 criteria, and you have to do the structural model assessment. You have to pass these 5 steps. That's all. So I'm closing this slide now because my movie will start now. So I think at this moment, don't be tense or no need to ask any question also, because actually I didn't start my actual slide. But keep in mind, the whole smart PLS is 3 things: reflective measurement model, formative measurement model, and structural model assessment. I think these things I understood maybe when I attended several workshops, then only finally I understood, okay, this is smart PLS. So now actually I'm starting my main discussion. Or let me close this. Okay. So one participant, you asked me show the real life example. Here, actually, it is not the theoretical session. Basically, it is the practical session. But due to, as you know, we have only 2 hours time. So due to time constraint, maybe today, just let us discuss the theory first. And practical session, you need at least 2 days for this. Okay. This is the another formal or the main formal session I'm starting with this slide. This is ice breaking. So I think due to time constraint, we are not going with the ice breaking. We are not going with the ice breaking. Uh, you know more things about myself. But before starting the presentation, I think I should acknowledge, especially for the slide and materials. This is not my slide. So that's why this is the SmartPLS, my SEM properties. So I attended workshop, especially my co-supervisor, Dr. 𝐒𝐲𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬. So I'm using that resource. So that's why I'm acknowledging their contribution. So this is not my contribution. Introduction. First, you should know, as you are the beginner, so you should know some of the history of the SmartPLS. So not SmartPLS, especially the structural equation modeling. Actually, the main workshop title is the structural equation modeling. That is SEM. Basically, it has 2 parts, so it will come. Let's see how SEM has started. It has 3 stages. If you see very clear, and maybe due to time constraint, again I will not. I will not be able to go in details. See, in 19th centuries, so we used to talk about the correlation and regression, and 1950 factor analysis and path modeling, and 1970 we used to start about the structural equation modeling. So our earlier researchers basically and structural equation model C, it is also came before our independence. So in Bangladesh context, maybe still it is a new software for our researcher, but see, it is not a new software. It is basically the 2nd generation software. So after SPSS, if you say. So simple history. If you see this tree, see, one side you are going with the factor analysis, then EFS, CFS, then you are coming SEM. You can say basically we used to do these things basically in our AMOS software. If you go with this regression path model, and we are going to the SEM. Basically, we used to use in our SmartPLS, basically we use both these things. EFS, CFA basically don't use, generally we don't use in our SmartPLS. History of structural equation modeling. See, basically, if you want to use structural equation modeling software, either MOS or maybe SmartPLS, you should have a model first like that. For the beginner researchers, you have to think, I need a model like this. So that's why I'm showing. I'm just giving an eye cap. Fundamentals of structural equation modeling. If you use any software of SEM, I'll show how many softwares are there. MOS or SmartPLS. This is the ABC of SEM.